Hello everyone, we are back with another video of TSMC 2018. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. So today we will be talking about different branches in engineering. So watch this video till the end and get clarified which branch is perfect for you. Because right now, everyone is confusing you. Like your father might be saying, choose civil, it has scope in future. Your friend might be saying, I'll be choosing CSC. So you also choose CSC. Or someone would be saying choose EC, it is better than CSC or better than EEE. So don't get confused. Watch this video till the end and get clarified. So let's talk about CSC and IT. These are the topmost branches of engineering. So CSC is all about coding, programming languages, C, C++, Java, data structures. So IT is a subpart of CSC. Almost these both branches are similar to one another. So they have the highest packages. That's why there is a high competition in market. So this year Vasavi's package was the highest of all TSMC packages. CSC student got 20 lakh per year. So you can imagine. So this is the CBIT packages placements list, and among all branches CSC is on the top. So now comes the EC branch, which is considered as the second top branch. So if you study this branch, you will become a gadget guru. You might know Technical Guruji. Yes, he has studied this branch from BITS Pilani. So it deals with the telecommunication industry. EEE branch, electrical and electronic engineering. It is known as evergreen field. So it deals with transmission and generation of electrical power. So this field is quite deals with the physics subject, EC or EEE or mechanical. These three branches deals with physics. That's why many of the students don't prefer to choose this. But there are lots of placement in government sector for EEE and civil engineering also. So if we talk about civil engineering, so it deals with the construction part, like construction of dams, rivers, roads. So this field is also considered as evergreen field. This field also has lots of government placements. So civil engineering is also best compared to all branches. Mechanical branch. So mechanical branch, most of the student doesn't prefer to choose it because it's quite tough compared to all other branches. But it has scope in foreign countries like Germany. So if we talk about the packages of these branches, mostly CSC or IT branch would get the highest package compared to all other branches. And next comes EC or civil, EEE, and then comes mechanical. And in India, CSC and IT branches have the most highest package compared to any other branch. So most of the students prefer to choose CSC or IT. But I would suggest you that choose the branch according to your interest. Because in the end, after 4 years, you should not regret that I was not having any interest in coding, in programming languages. Still I have chosen it, seeing that I would get a highest package. Don't see all this. See the subjects you have to study in CSC, in IT, in EC, in EEE. Go through the subjects, then only choose the field, branch. So give preference to your passion and interest and choose perfectly. Don't listen to anyone, listen to your heart. So choose independently. So best of luck. If you're still having any doubts regarding these branches or any other branch like chemical engineering, biotechnology, mining, you can comment below. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video.